Okay, y'all, today we are talking about EEGI or Elaine Entertainment Incorporated. Um, they also own Extreme Channels Incorporated, which is kind of like this. You see, take a look here. It's a over the top or over the internet without using a traditional platform. So it's a think of it as subscription based video on demand. Um, so they use their own platform, and they have distribution networks. Includes Redbox, Target, Walmart for the chain stores. But this is all be online, of course. And also just a short list of this: Amazon Prime, Hulu, Netflix, Cox, Comcast, etc. You see here. I mean, there's tons more. Um, and they make money off of ad revenue, of course. Now, so they have their last filings is in December 2018. We're going to talk about those filings shortly. And CEO Josh Eggleston has a kind of a valid explanation with this. In dealing with the with the OTC markets or with the SEC, you're sometimes you're told one thing and then you end up having to do another. That's just part of what goes on in the world there. And but he took heat for claiming that they were going to be current with the OTC, as soon as possible or within 30 days, but it didn't end up being within 30 days. And, then he sends the email explanation from the OTC markets just recently saying that we're looking at, between, up to 8 weeks till the OTC market is able to accept their filings. So right now it's the OTC market saying apparently, according to the CEO Josh Eggleston there, they do have some things or a few things to file at least. Whether or not they come current through everything, I kind of doubt it because they're looking at quarterly and year-end reports, and they're missing now 8 or more filings. And we're about 8 weeks out now, or maybe less, until we see those filings, until they're able to file things to start to become current. Here's a couple of red flags here, you guys. I mean, in their filings in 2017, they sold 782 million or 9.2% and a controlling block of the company to this guy for 45 grand. 2018, they filed a statement just basically saying that they want to become current. So there's no significant filing, and the company was basically dormant for a couple of years, and now they're interested in coming current, and and all of that. Now, currently the stock is at 0.0032. We have about a $13 million market cap, and but they do obviously have intent to come current, and they do have some interesting things going on. And they, with their network, they do have obviously with their distribution network, they have a strong possibility of pushing anything forward. Just right now we don't know, kind of what's going on, and there's no deals that seem that where the company's actually making revenue or is cash flow positive or whatever. We kind of have no idea about that. So I don't own the stock or whatever, but it is an interesting stock. I'm not saying don't buy it or whatever. But anyway, we'll see more from them coming over in the next sort of time. But I would expect there to be some sort at least several weeks between now and between when they start making filings, and then that'll start driving the stock up. Anyway, that's it, y'all. The content is for informational purposes only. You should not construe any such information or other material as legal, tax, investment, financial, or other advice. Nothing contained in our site constitutes, or nothing contained in this website constitutes a solicitation, recommendation, endorsement, or offer by me or anyone else to buy or sell any securities or other financial instruments mentioned in here in any other jurisdiction in which such solicitation or offer would be unlawful under the securities laws of such jurisdiction.
uh,